Do you also dream of iPhone-level camera quality? But the moment you see that price tag, your heart just sinks. Well, brother, stop dreaming, because today that dream is about to become a reality. And bringing this reality is a phone that will unleash a storm in every field: camera, power, and battery. And the biggest deal, it's coming at almost half the price of an iPhone. That's right, friends, Nokia is making a comeback with a killer smartphone that's going to shake up the mid-range market. Its name, the Nokia X400 5G. And today, we're exposing every secret, every detail of this monster. So let's get started. Features of the Nokia X400 5G. Display. First up, its stunning display. Bro, the moment you see this screen, your eyes will feel pure relief. You get a massive 6.89-inch QHD plus Super AMOLED display. We're talking colors so vibrant and so brilliant, it'll feel like the whole world lives inside this screen. And get this, it has a 144 Hz refresh rate. Whether it's gaming or scrolling through social media, everything will be so silky smooth, you'll be embarrassed to even remember your old phone. And durability, dude, this phone is built like a tank. Gorilla Glass 6 protection, plus an IP68 water and dust resistance rating. This thing can take a beating. Camera section, and now, the moment you've been waiting for. The most explosive part of this video. Its camera setup. Friends, this isn't just a camera, this is a portable studio fitting right in your pocket. You get a mind-blowing 200 megapixel primary camera sensor. Just imagine, detail so crisp, so sharp, that even at maximum zoom, you won't see pixels breaking up. And in low light, this thing is going to work absolute magic. DSLR shooters, be warned. It's paired with a 32 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 5 megapixel macro camera. And selfie lovers, your turn. It packs a 50 megapixel front camera. That means every single selfie will be flawless, no filter needed. Performance. Now, let's talk power. Because this dragon doesn't just look fierce, it breathes fire in performance too. Beating at its heart is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. The latest, most powerful mobile chipset out there. And for software, this phone will run on the fresh Android 16. And the best news, it'll have zero bloatware, pure, clean, and fast. Battery backup. Now, let's talk about its biggest strength, battery life. People, it's packing a monster 8100 mAh battery. This isn't some small battery, this is a portable power bank that lives inside your phone. And if it does run out, no sweat, because it supports 100-watt super fast charging. That's right, just 30 minutes to take this beast from 0% to a full 100% charge. Price and launch date. So, the million-dollar question, what's the damage? What will all this cost you? Based on expert leaks and analysis, this beast of a phone could be priced around $799 in the USA. Just think, all these flagship-level features, at this price. This could truly be a game-changer. And now for that crucial update. As of now, there's no official launch date confirmation from Nokia. But all the market rumors and reports are pointing in one direction. We could see this dragon unleashed in mid-2026.